Welcome! In this video, we are going to learn how to insert a header in Microsoft Word. Are you interested? Just keep watching. Hello, my name is Mark, and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. The header is the top margin of each page in a document, useful for displaying information about the document, such as the author's name, title, or page numbers. There are two ways we can insert the header into a Microsoft Word document. First, we open the MS Word document in which we want to add the header. We then need to navigate to the Insert tab, choosing Header in the Header and Footer group. The second way to insert the header in our document is to double-click on the top margin of our document, which will redirect us to the Header and Footer tab where we can edit the header. Here we can choose from many built-in designs, or we can make our own. In this video, we are going to use the built-in blank header with 3 columns. It is entirely up to you what you will use in your header. However, remember to keep it as simple as possible because it will be displayed on the top of every page of your document. In this video tutorial, first we will add our Office Master logo in the left column. We'll highlight the first Type Here, choosing the Pictures option in the Insert group. When the dialog box appears, we select the picture we want to add and click Insert. We can see that the size of our picture is too big for our document, so we must edit it. Here's how we will do that. 8 sizing handles will appear on their borders when clicking on the picture. We press the one in the bottom right and drag it towards the middle of the image to reduce the size. If the picture is too small, we can increase the size by dragging the resize handle towards the edge of the screen. When manually resizing, always remember to use a corner resize handle. This will ensure that both the height and width are adjusted simultaneously and will maintain the height to width ratio of your image. Now, let's say we don't like the position of the picture inside the header. If we want to move the image, we click on it and drag it to another place. In this case, the formatting of our header only enables us to change the position between the 3 columns because the picture layout setting is set to in line with the text. To change that, we must click on the image, select the Layout Options icon on the right, and choose the layout option we want. We will select Tight under With Text Wrapping, and will leave the option Move with Text checked. Now we can easily move our picture anywhere in the header. We can also format the picture in the header. Click on the image and find the Picture Format tab on the ribbon menu. Now let's move to the second column. In this case, we will now insert simple text, the name of our channel, Office Master, in the middle column. We highlight the second Type Here and type Office Master, and it's done. Now it's time to move to the third column where we will insert the page number. So once again, we highlight the third Type Here, click on Header and Footer tab, and select the Page Number option in the Header and Footer group. We choose Current Position and Plain Number under Simple in the pop-up menu. We can roll down through our document to verify if the numbers are correct. The last thing we are going to do is to change the size of the header. We navigate to the Position group where we can change how far the header is from the top of the page. This depends on how much we increase or decrease the number, and the header will expand or shrink. We will use 0.4 inches from the top of the document. To change the font size on our header, we highlight the words inside the header. We are going to use Arial in size 14. Once we are done with formatting our header, we select Close Header and Footer or double-click in the working area of the Word document. When we do so, we can see that the header is faded. Remember that this applies only to the document in digital form. When we print out the document, the header will be in full color. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.